There's a lot that goes into supply chain management, but each component is important to success. At USC Consulting Group, our focus is on the entire supply chain, starting with strategic sourcing, inventory management, and planning and scheduling. We know there's more to manufacturing than production. The most competitive businesses drive throughput, reduce costs, and maximize yield, all with guidance from real-time data analysis and reporting tools. These top players also understand the need to improve and empower their maintenance programs. We can help you not only keep your equipment running, but we can also show you how to optimize your overall asset performance. From there, products require a systematic approach to quality assurance as well as cost-effective distribution and logistics networks. From beginning to end, USC has you covered. And when you partner with USC Consulting Group, you get a dedicated team of full-time, seasoned professionals who will understand your business and do whatever it takes to succeed. To learn more about how USC Consulting Group can improve your supply chain operations, visit usccg.com.